Harf jar? You got to be prompt, brother. Harf jar? You got to say loudly. Harf jar? Ism majroor. See, this should get root in our system. So whenever you will see harf jar, the noun that will follow will be ism majroor. In other words, if you have a harf jar anywhere in the sentence, noun must follow. They come together. Harf jar will have noun after it. Must. Only noun. Okay? We have to understand this. And brothers and sisters, if it is fil bayti, if I say fil bayti, what is fil bayti? Jarun wa majrurun. What is it? This is a short form of saying harf jar plus ism majroor. So you take a shortcut and you say jarun wa majrurun. Later on you will say jar majroor. You will say jar majroor. What does it mean? That there is a harf jar followed by a noun which is majroor. Remember then, majroor. You will please remember that, okay? And we will explore the different kinds of khabar one by one. In the first 3 lessons, the khabar came as a mufrad, one word, and you could see tanween damma on it. Are you with me, brother? Al-kitabu jadidun, al-babu maftuhun. Okay? Al-baytu ba'idun. All were marfu. Then in lesson number 4, we came to a new thing. Ar-rajulu fil bayti. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi. No, we have fil masjidi coming as a khabar. Harf jar majroor coming as a khabar. Sahih, brother? Before it was one word, now we are getting different kind of khabar, which is in the form of jarun wa majrurun. So please make a note of it. We are going to get more of the kinds of khabar coming, inshallah, and we will be learning one by one. Okay, brothers and sisters. And now it is very important for us to memorize these pronouns, 14 of them. We will always start with the third person, which is al-ghaib. Al-ghaib, someone who is not in front of us, who is absent from us. Al-ghaib. And brother, I told you the easy way is to count masculine, feminine, third finger, masculine again, fourth finger, feminine. Okay? And this is for both masculine and feminine. Huwa, huma, hum. You should do it, brother. He, huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. One more time. You have been given new sheets, Sister Salma. On that sheet is also the 14 pronouns. Can you see on your left hand side of the sheet, brothers and sisters? Do you see? They are in groups. They are given to you in a nice way. Again, huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. One more time. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. You got to memorize it. Okay, brothers and sisters? Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, Anta antum ma antum. Anta antum ma antum. Anti antum ma antunna. Anti antum ma antunna. Ana nahnu. Ana nahnu. So I will be giving you this little tune to make you understand, and if you can even memorize this melody, you can sing to your husband, or you can sing to your wife, or you can sing to your children. The whole idea is to memorize it so that we never ever forget. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, I think we completed page 22. Is it correct, brothers and sisters? Brother Hassan? Yes. We completed page 22? Okay. And this is where, on page 23, question number 9, Ash-shamsu wal-kamaru fis-samai. What is Ash-shamsu, brother? Mubtada. And then what is wa? Ataf. And what is al-kamaru? Ma'tufun ala shams. Are you with me? Ma'tufun ala shams. Sahih, Brother Abdul Qadir? Okay. And what is fi samai? Jarun, majrurun, khabar. Jarun, majrurun, khabar. And if you can remember shibu jumla, you can say shibu jumla. But if you don't say, don't worry, because later on you will get very comfortable with it, So jarun majrurun is a phrase. So what you are saying, that jarun majrurun, a phrase coming as a khabar. So you say jarun majrurun, shibu jumla, khabar. What is shibu jumla? Phrase. Khalas. You can say jarun majrurun, shibu jumla, khabar. Because shibu jumla can be different kinds. But in this particular case, the shibu jumla is jarun wa majrurun. We will have other kind of shibu jumla, which will come later on. Brother, your coming here every day, inshallah, will produce results. Things that you cannot retain in your mind instantly, but by coming here every day and listening to the teacher, it will get settled in your hard drive. We have a hard drive here. It will get settled there, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters? Now we come to page 23, section A. Okay, brother? On the right-hand column, you see, what do you see, brother? Names of masculine names. And on the left here column, you see names of feminine. Okay. I'm going to tell you a couple of new things. Okay. You just will try to remember, inshallah. See, all the masculine names have tanween at the end. Remember, I told you, an Arabic noun in its natural form is always marfu. Is always marfu. Okay? So when you say Muhammad, it is Muhammadun. When you say Khalid, it's Khalidun. When you say Hamid, it's Hamidun. When you say Yasir, Yasirun. And when you say Ammar, it is Ammarun. And when you say Sa'id, Sa'idun. And when you say Ali, Aliyun. And when you say Abbas, Abbasun. Got the idea, brother and sister? Now, on your left hand side, you have muannas, feminine names. Okay? Asmaul muannas. Okay? What is it, brother? Do you see the difference? That there is no tanween. Why? We got to think. Brother, if there is something there, we got to think and say, why? I also, when I thought, I said, why is it Aminatu and not Aminatun. Then I realized, females Allah has blessed them with a lot of beauty. They're all beautiful. Men, they are rough, plain. So in Arabic language, the males were given tanween, extra decoration. 2 feathers, tanween. The ladies are already beautiful. They got a lot of jewelry. They made themselves beautify. So the Arabic language gave them 1 dhamma. You don't need, because you're already very beautiful. So you don't need 2.
You don't need dressing up.
You don't need dressing up. So now this is, of course, it's not the way it is to be explained. I just joked with you. There's another joke, brother. Men are very strong. They can carry 2 dhammas. Sisters are weaker than men. They cannot carry 2 dhammas. They can barely handle 1 dhamma. So that is what it is. 1 dhamma at the end of a noun of a female, and 2 dhammas at the end of the noun of a man. But the real reason is, brother, that later on we will learn that Aminatu does not decline as Muhammadun. Are you with me? Okay? It does not decline. Normal way. Now, I'm sure you are strong. You have understood that dun dan din business. Okay? So we say Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Khalidun, Khalidan, Khalidin. Hamidun, Hamidan, Hamidin. How about Amina? Aminatu. Next one, Aminata. And next one, Aminata again. It will not take kasra. Even when it is majroor, brother? Even if it is majroor, brother Muhammad, it will still show fatah. Now this is something new. I will be repeating it many times. So inshallah, you will understand it. The thing that you should keep it in mind, 2 things, brother. I'm writing in English first. Later on, we'll switch on to the Arabic. If the noun, if it declines completely in 3 cases, which is marfu, mansub, and majroor properly, dun, dhan, then properly, we say it is triptote. What do we say, brother? Triptote. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? We say it is triptote. And then the noun that declines but not fully, we call it what do you call it? Diptote. Okay, I'll explain again. Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Complete declension. Are you with me, brother? Marfu, mansub, majroor, proper dhamma, fatah, and kasra. Come to Amina. It is Aminatu, Aminata, and again Aminata. It did not decline fully. It declined a little bit and stopped. Are you with me, brother? Aminatu, Aminata, and again Aminata. So we call it diptote. Okay? These are the terms which the Western scholars of Orientals, Western scholars of Arabic, they have given from English language point of view. That this noun is, if I say the noun is triptote, it means it declines fully. Are you with me? Kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, bin. Bun, ban, bin. Are you with me? But when you come to Zainabu, Zainaba, and again, Zainaba again. Why? Because the noun is diptote. Are you with me? Sister Abir? Okay. I had a very big class, and in sometimes a big class, there's a lot of disturbance, and people sometimes are disturbed, and they do not listen properly, they don't understand. I was explaining this. Then the brother raised his hand, and he said, Brother Asif, could you please tell me what is this tip-top? I said, brother, this is not a tip-top tailor here. It is trip-tote. It's not tip-top, but it is trip-tote. He somehow got the idea that I was saying the nouns are tip-top. Anyway, I thought it was very cute, Anyway, so when it is trip-tote, brother and sister, it means it declines fully. Dun, dan, din. And when it is diptote, it goes to dun, then dan, then stays at a dan. But we will still call it majroor. And that we will learn soon, inshallah. Okay, we'll learn soon, inshallah. So, brother, are you now familiar with these two columns? Sister Salma, they are clear? Sister Abir, Sister Naima, Sister Maimuna, is it clear, inshallah? Brother Farooq, clear? Abdul Qadir, inshallah. See, we always say Aisha, we have a sister Aisha. But then she is Aisha too. Are you with me? She is Aisha too. We have sister Fatima. But when you write it, it is Fatima too. But again, both of them are diptote. Okay? They are both diptote. Okay? Fine. Now we come to Ikra Waktub. Read and write by putting proper vowel signs at the end. Number 1, brother. Hamidun. Number 2, Zainabu. We cannot say bun, that would be wrong. Next one, Aminatu. Next one, Ammarun. Ammarun. Next one, brother, Sa'idun. Okay, and then Fatimatu. And then Maryamu. Very good. Not mun, mu. Next one, brothers. Aliyun. And Khalidun. And Abbasun. See, there is a shadda on ba. It's not written, but then we get used to it. Abbas. What is it? Abbasun. Okay. Next one, brothers. Aishatu. Sisters. Muhammadun. Okay. Next one. Safiya tu. Next one. Khadija tu. Masha. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Inshallah.